Hey everybody, welcome. It's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I'm going to be talking about the brand new Cricut product that just came out. It's what everybody's been waiting to hear about, and today you're going to hear about it from me. So, what is it? Why do you want it? And how do you use it? Those are the three things I know you want to know, so let's get right to it. The new Cricut product is called Infusible Ink. Okay, so Infusible Ink is a product that Cricut's been working on for a while now. It's innovative. Nobody else has this system. It's great for the home crafter or for businesses. And what is it? Look at this shirt. Look how vibrant and beautiful the colors are. Okay, so when you make a shirt right now using iron-on, that iron-on material sits on top of the shirt, correct? This product actually, because you use a special blank that Cricut makes, these blank shirts, and they are a polyester spandex blend of some type, the actual infusible ink sheets, once you cut them out with your Cricut and you adhere it with your Easy Press, that dry ink on those sheets becomes permanent on the front of your shirt. Okay, look how beautiful that is. Now, why is that better than having the iron-on? Look at this. I made a sample. This is those fusible sheets. I just cut out some parts and put them on here. Look at this. It stretches. Your shirt's going to have some give to it, right? And it doesn't pull. Like when you have iron-on your shirt, it kind of pulls if you try to stretch your shirt out or whatever. Plus, it's permanent. This is not ever going to come off of here now, and you're going to be able to wash and dry it right away. You're going to be able to really enjoy this for a long time because those colors are going to stay true. Okay, now what makes this work? What makes this work is that Cricut has designed these special blanks that have a polyester coating of some type on them. That is what the chemical compound, without getting too technical with you guys, in these infusible ink sheets adhere to when heat is applied to them. But it has to be a high heat, okay? So that's why you have to have a Cricut Easy Press 2 is preferable because it will go up to 400 degrees. Or you can use a Cricut Easy Press, the original one. But with the original one, you're going to have to apply the heat for a longer period of time than you would if you had the Easy Press 2, okay? And of course, you can use any of the various sizes. Let's talk about what are the blanks, okay? So Cricut's going to have shirts for women, so look, nice V-neck, that looks more flattering on us. And then there's going to be crew neck shirts for the men, and there will be shirts youth size for the kids, and there will be even little baby body suits so that you can make those cute, adorable baby body suit gifts, right? We all love making those. They're so well received. And so they're going to have this for garments for right now. They're all going to be white bases because that's what the color looks best on right now. And then there will also be tote bags in 2 different sizes. Here's one of the sizes. But look how vibrant and pretty the color is on this. Okay, these were just some images and shapes that I had that were in Design Space that I cut out and applied. They look so nice. So there's 2 sizes of bags. And guys, there are even coasters. Yes, we love making coasters for gifts, right? And so there will be, they'll come in a 4-pack. This is a 4-pack of the coasters. Now they have this particular set has a white front on it, and then the back of it is a cork, okay? And then there will be a set of 4 ceramic coasters, okay? You'll be able to apply that same process to these coasters, and guess what? They're permanent, just like the shirts are going to be in the bags. It's going to be a permanent ink on here so that you can set both hot and cold items on here. It's not going to come off, it's not going to sweat, and they look beautiful. So not only do they have the infusible ink sheets and all these fabulous blanks, but they came out with infusible ink markers, guys, okay? So you're going to be able to draw with your Cricut and then color it in with the markers and be able to apply it to any of these blanks, okay? So the coasters, any of this stuff. But to be able to do that, you're going to need to have, this is their heat resistant tape. I just want to make sure what they call it. And this actually helps you apply because your markers are going to be drawn on a laser copy paper. So now that I've explained a little bit about the Infusible Ink System, we're going to actually do a quick tutorial on how to use one of the baby bodysuits and use the Infusible Ink product so you guys can see how easy it is to do.